What time is it? Time. Always ticking, always moving, always changing. But time ends. The time to get into a meeting. The time to hop into a bus. The time to make a decision. It ends. And what time is it? It is time to get real. Real with our purposes, with our planet, with our future. It is the time to take action, to get things done. It is the time to transform words into real change now. We joined forces to set up an ambitious goal. We understood what it takes to create real impact. We are Biomas, and we are here to restore Brazilian ecosystems. With one hand on the soil and the other hand working with the communities, generating shared value. We aim for the real impact, not the buzz. You can't just conserve forests when forests have gone away. You can't transform nature's landscape without bringing the people together. It is time to regenerate our future. It is time to address the real, complex social challenges. Rebuilding our home together. Biomas. Positive impact. Real change.